Kajing Kyrduh kam kadai kamat ka bakta bahaya ki khun Samla khlam da khen la kadai ka kam Sorkar ne ki kam hagi company bat kane bon sen ka kta bahaya ka jingmut jing berkhat ki khun Samla kham tam gi tu gi bala pandap gi jing Pule haki kerdan Pule bapher re ki dan pat ki Samla gi papen pau bayamanta ka lawai jong ki kadai pen persang wat kam la jong Kajing Kyrduh kam hapo ka Jylla la sakhi babon na ki Samla Pule ki haban mi shakiwe ki Jylla nrai kat badang mi ki snam lanang yu iru ba ki Samla ki bapendap ki jing Pule na ki college bat ki school ba ki dang bun kumta hakasngi bagadon ka jing pen ko buram ya ki Samla ki baladap jing Pule jong ka lady ki in college Nakalyang ka kanhonu Shillong Mail kala persang banyakran bat ki Samla Pule ka ka college ka badai kerpang ya ki kentai ya ka bala yo lat banyakran tang bat arngot ki Samla Pule Nakalya ki Samla Pule ka college kentup ya ka Samla Shimti Mary Jana nong bet na ka Department of Biochemistry kala ong bagajing ut ki Samla wat kam menta ka dai namar ka kam Sorkar ka Duna bat kumta kala bahai ki Samla bakim dai shu ban shanya haki kam Sorkar bat ban sedang pat dalaki kam lajong laki long ki baret ru ne kinu ki kam ki bala ban kamai jakpo
Ngakam mudah mangan yo ketika special award but Harai di nak kajing tristom bat kajing don benta bejong amana kapor haki activities di college te katulong harai yang abangan yo yakin kawan bat ngal kemen shibun ru nang ni khmat banganang ma ye continue ban ye shimbenta haki eke hibawan ra jum to ya ka inang salang ne ya ngarup jo eke kasam Harai ki Samla jungi ki ot ba yo kam Sorkar Ndai ki kam segi buan am ndai ki ot tang ada bum yo kam Sorkar baro ki kwai kam Sorkar ndai ka bun ka ki kam chani chatai ndai ki Shillong no ban ngin long shalak ma ngin long shalak ngin wat lenti hi mangin na jong ndai bangin shia shong haju ngin shia ot ndai kam te ka bun hi ndai ka Shillong bangi Samla ni ot la dangi yo kam Sorkar ndai kam bariar ki bun ndai la dangi la ban thau business chani chatai tahi nga sultanat ban hikai ma long dada ki pardok ki wan batai yang ki bakim sutho senang te nga ro masih sultanat ban batai ki no karena nasdang hadu kot kumno gajai kita kimno te nga sutho ba ngadon te kata sap mo ban hikai te nang ni shakmat ruhi ngan persang ban ngan pendap master te ngan pendap PhD nang ta lada yolat ngan long ngan kai
Kasamla Aida Kamon Karwan lang na ka Department of Zoology kalaong bagi kimi ki pa ki deban ailat yaki Samla ban be sa prang ka thong jongki lakalong bagi hapru ban mi sabar
Ni baru we get equal opportunities haka yang gajing Pule everyone is so helpful and he teaches give young gajing kai shani and they have guided us really well in our journey in this milestone of life and I'm very grateful to each and every single one of the teachers who have helped me reach to where I am today.
Teka plan jong pinang ni sekmatan.
Mentati ngadang pursue ngadang master or go to university. The kapan kerja kade ban get into academics or research and maybe later in the future malaman like go for other competitive exams. Tapi ka haka kasi household ni si ipai kan ka jadi ba sakal bisi kumto but what I feel like is that nayim kimi pa kimdir man minister thaningi tamandan chini I feel like they should really make us go outside to experience things outside maybe like they should actually pursue things that belong within their scope and I feel like if they believe in what they do and I think it'll be good for them ni baru ni abe bhai ka kam government and ni tebak kam government kam dir ka ba belong very less and ni iba the number of graduate the amount of students that graduate in each year ka kinang kiobait and kabanamon years ni iba ka kamro kami ka balak bit every time belong very less so what I feel is that ki kana jungi ni de man pentum show haki maybe ki judging Pule maybe computer maybe other like soft skills or maybe ki skills ki ba ka Meghalaya as a whole they're offering us like food processing kita maybe ki judge skills ban laban gitu so I feel like we can nila ban sang hijong kamro haka sinong jongi ro nila ban sang kam
then I've been apply like various competitive exams. That's my main aim also. So I would actually encourage others when I Python become governments like but they're like go to what you love and become the duty.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.